Today I'll be showing you how to change the oil and filter on this 2008 Lotus Elise. Same process for 2005 to 2011 Exige as well. I use Mobil 1's 0W40 Euro formula with an OEM Toyota filter. So you don't actually have to remove this rear diffuser to access the oil pan. You just have to remove the hardware for the belly pan and slide it out from under the car. All of these smaller bolts are 8mm. This is the oil pan we're trying to access. Once you have all the smaller bolts out, it's time for the two bigger bolts, which are 13mm. Slide the belly pan towards the back of the car and set it aside. This car came with an aftermarket oil pan, which happens to have a quick release for a drain. While you're letting the oil drain into a pan, loosen the oil filter, which is located right in front of the oil pan. Clean off any spillage or oil residue before installing a new filter. Oil filters from Toyota come pre-lubricated and ready for install. Reinstall the drain plug, or in my case closing the drain valve, and reinstall the underbelly pan. The belly pan slides right in and wedges above the black panels. Make sure that all the mounting holes are perfectly lined up. Loosely install all of the hardware, the 8mm ones and the 13mm ones, before tightening any of them. Now that the oil filter has been replaced and the belly pan's been reinstalled, it's time to add some oil. Use a funnel to avoid any spillage in the engine bay. Oil capacity is a little over 4.5 quarts, but mine takes over 5 with the aftermarket oil pan installed. Don't forget to check the oil level on the dipstick after running the car and top off if needed. If you found any of this information useful, make sure you smash that like button. And if you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. But for today, this is going to be it. Thank you for watching.